Welcome to the assembly instructions video of this ride on toy manufactured by Panda Baby Products. The box of this rider includes a steering wheel, a backrest, a parental handle, 2 support handles, and the main body.
First, open the cell cap on the steering and insert 2 AA batteries in the slots present.
First, unscrew the washer as shown in the video. Place the steering wheel as shown and then tighten the screw. Take the footrest and fix it in its place as shown. Now, take the main body, open the storage compartment and unscrew the cell cap present there. Insert 2 AA batteries in the slots for light and sound. Finally, take the backrest and insert it in the slot as shown in this video. The parental handle can be pushed in the slot present at the top of the backrest. The 2 support arms can be fixed for your toddler's safety. Now this Hummer rider is ready for your little one to ride.